In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a segment in Zoho Campaigns. If you're new to Zoho Campaigns or just need a refresher on segment creation, you're in the right place. Segmentation is a powerful tool that allows you to group your contacts based on shared characteristics, which can be incredibly helpful for targeted marketing efforts. Let's jump right into the process. First, we start by heading over to the Contacts module. You'll find this in the left sidebar of your Zoho Campaigns dashboard. Clicking on it will take you to a page where all your contact information is stored and organized. Each contact represents a potential customer or lead, and this is where we'll begin crafting our segment. Next, you'll want to look for the Segments option. It's conveniently located in the same sidebar, and once you identify it, go ahead and click on it. You'll be directed to a new area dedicated to creating and managing your segments. This section is central to customizing who receives particular communications, allowing you to tailor your messages effectively. Now that you're in the Segments section, we move on to the exciting part, creating your segment. Look for the Create button, or it might say Create Segment. Clicking this sets the stage for the customization that follows. It's worth noting that having a well-defined segment can significantly enhance your marketing campaigns by ensuring that your messages reach the right audience. Let's focus on the segment name. This is your opportunity to give your segment a meaningful name that reflects its purpose. Choose something descriptive and clear. For example, if the segment targets VIP customers in the US, a suitable name might be VIP US Customers. A distinct segment name will help you easily identify it in the future, especially as you accumulate more segments. Now comes the criteria definition, which is the backbone of your segment. Craft these criteria by thinking about what characteristics you want all contacts in this segment to share. For instance, you might decide that those in this segment should have country set to US, tag marked as VIP, and contact source as CRM. This step is critical for ensuring that your segment accurately reflects the group of contacts you intend to target, whether they be high-value customers, customers from a specific region, or another specific group. Finally, once you've set your criteria, it's time to save your work. Clicking Save activates Zoho's auto-generation feature, which will immediately create your segment based on the specifications you've provided. You'll see your new segment appear, ready to use for future campaigns or analysis. And that's it. You've successfully created a segment in Zoho Campaigns. Remember, crafting precise segments is an effective way to enhance the relevance and success of your marketing endeavors. Thank you for watching and happy campaigning with Zoho.